conditioner correctly.
Be sure before you do any work to your air conditioner or central air unit that you have turned off the power to the unit. For this video, I have turned off the air conditioner at the outside breaker box as well as the breaker box in the house. First off, you will need to remove all the screws holding the outside cover on. For this, I used an impact driver and a 5/16 socket. You can use a screwdriver or a socket to remove these as well. Once you have removed the screws, you can begin to remove the cover panels from the unit. Be careful when removing it to not damage the fins in the unit. Damage to the fins will restrict the airflow into the unit and therefore reduce the efficiency. Here you can see the amount of buildup of dirt and debris that can occur on the unit. Take a shop vac and clean up any of the large debris that you can before you start using the cleaning products. The shop vac will allow you to sweep up larger leaves and buildup in the system quicker. Be careful to not damage the fins with the shop vac though. For this cleaning, I will be using a foaming cleaner with a scrub brush head on it. These cleaners can be picked up at most of your hardware stores. There are many different types, brands, and options to choose from. Be sure to read the safety instructions and follow any personal protective equipment requirements on the label. For this particular cleaner, it says to wear gloves when applying. Spray the cleaner on the entire surface of the fins. As you spray on the cleaner, it will come out as a foam. Some spots may require extra cleaner sprayed on them. Here I have sprayed extra cleaner and will use the scrub brush to break up the spot. Be careful to not damage the fins on the unit with the scrub brush. Once the cleaner has evaporated, you can lightly rinse the unit with your hose. Clean off the outside cover of the unit by spraying it with the hose and wiping off any dirt or debris. Let the fins and system dry before reassembling. Once you have everything cleaned and placed the cover back on, reattach the screws and turn the power back onto your system. Here are some helpful extension publications. You should check your system regularly and clean as you feel necessary. Be sure to consult a heating and cooling professional with any questions you may have.